My brother, my sister, I don't come again. This one na waka matter. Today, na the place that man who na dey hear name Moody here, Moody for everywhere. Today I don't waka come meet am. My brother, I hail you.
Welcome. How you doing?
Moody. You see everywhere Moody. When I dey come, I just ask of Moody. For just on they say, Moody. The man will get street. He dey there, just go. Now so I just waka come straight. I see your street long, bros. I hail you. He don't take this man. I don't dey hear from. That time when I small, I can't grow. The name see the rate. Today I see I go waka from village. Come meet Moody. I hail.
Thank you. How you doing?
But the day we don't waka corner, can I be waka matter? Make you come tell us how you take waka reach the level where it is. Okay. My brother, I better tell us. What be your name?
My name now Clement Mudiaga in Najemo. The Moody now from Mudiaga. I shorten am to Moody Aga. So I remove the AGA for the end. It could be Moody.
Worry not the carry last. You see, he don't shut it down. He cut you. Come on for Moody Aga. He can remove some spelling. Come make it be corrupt. So it can be Moody. Where everybody know him for. I beg. So your name long like that?
Yeah, long. Mudiaga. And the meaning of Mudiaga now stand firm. Mudiaga.
Stand firm. Equal sample.
Hey. The meaning of the Mudiaga.
I better tell us. Where you from come?
I be from Ududego village. From Mugeli. Ugeli na about 15-minute drive from Warri, Delta State. I be Uroboma.
Hi, bros me go from Urobo that side. Yes. You come whole ground for Lagos. Warri, we know the Karela. Anywhere where we go, anywhere where Boro must jump. Now because there so where for Ugeli go.
Now Mission Road and Market Road. Now we have a grow. When I did school those days, I may be the best art student in my class anytime. So even when I started to work for that factory, during break period, I would sketch. I would sketch just for the fun of it. Besides the one to say I want you to sketch to do anything. Most of my colleagues there would say, what you do sketch for? I said, no, I just sketch for fun. You know? From there, they call retrench shots, about 9 of us from the that was when Babangida sacked.
Okay, yes,
they call sack about sack 9 of us. Then so many companies downsides. They call sack 9 of us. They give us the compensator give us money for about 3 months salary ahead of time, you know. I could still my snowball for K2. I did K2, we did together until I can't get my own room for Ikosi K2. 2 of my friends, one na Ima, one na Tunde na Yoruba, Ima na Igbo. So they see me they come one day, they talk and they just keep quiet. Because they admire me, they come from a distance. I said,
they just see you.
Yeah, because they look me. They talk on their own. I said, see me they call, they just keep quiet. When I come walk here, then they talk. When the man say, then they call me Clement, they be Moody.
Okay.
Say, Clement, why not go fashion school? This your talent, no waste time. She be like, now you help us to buy clothes, we won't go buy clothes. Now you help us to shoes to buy. I see the way you dress now, see your dressing very good.
You carve everywhere.
I sit down, I said, how would you go? You know, I come to me say, I will go into fashion. So I can't discuss with them, they can't advise me. You know, when God won't talk, they will use human media to talk. Now God just pass the message. So I can't tell my son, brother, give me the go ahead, which I can't do. I know say the ability to sketch, to illustrate, to design
is already in you.
Me. So I can't meet one established tailor. That could teach me how to cut, how to know a good stitch. That's why I take start.
My brother, my sister, Moody, when I talk, we don't get everywhere. So, not be even wood spoon there for burner. They burner without spoon, not their mouth. Everything, but the way they come become who it be so, it start from somewhere. Now the story, that would hear so, my brother. So, but that way you can't start. Your papa, your mother, not begin you say, no, this one they say make you can't do for life.
No, they're not begging me. We can tell you one thing. Even when we did small those days for Ugeli, my mama, our mama, one of the best dressed woman. She know they joke with us for clothes. We also dress well. Even when our mates they go buy second-hand clothes to wear, my mom also will enter the best boutique, go pick clothes to wear. So me and my senior brothers, we even if we go Ugeli, when you ask people for Ugeli, they will tell you say, no, this family, no, they sabi dress, they get taste.
For this industry where you did so how you can't become which job you do, we go carry you back.
Make I tell you something. Now through me I can't say anything when you do, just do one well. Enjoy them. If you enjoy them, you go make money. You go do one well. You go do it because you enjoy them. Once you do one well, you make money. It is very simple. A country where about 150 million people, they demand for anything. Anything when you do for Nigeria, when you do when you make money. And I can't realize say most of our big men get problem. One way or the other, they get small problems. If you solve that problem, you will make money. Now money did this country to make. Imagine they say the richest man, African and Nigerian man, the richest black woman and Nigerian woman. I mean, it should say there's something all of in
Nigeria. So my brother, make I ask you something. So when you talk about school, so where you first stop?
No, I not be graduate.
Okay.
I tell you, see, when I leave Delta, go Ilorin, go to my snowboard. I want to enter Ilorin Polytechnic, but not enter because you know feel sponsor me again. So you can't lose your job. I get to come back to Lagos. So I'm seeing a destiny. Get what one man tell me, the one white man. He come my shop, come look me. You know what the matter? White man, you get away with everything. You think differently. He say, Moody, I think I go to university. Maybe I could not do where I did so. See, because my brain for not that adulterated. I don't know why you talk so. I don't know why. That's what tell me I dey hold on firm. You know, so I thank God for where I did, and you know what you do, and anything you got to do with creativity, you know they learn now inborn. People like footballers when they play, people like Okosha,
He did their leg.
Once
you
get the gift, but you must try. Make sure you try to develop what you get for your body.
For this your industry, so where you did, so where you did, so this so matter where you did, so what thing you don't like inside?
Which I don't like plenty. Things I don't like plenty. One of them is say people they come into the professional call the glamour. Now you what they call it glamour. They want they want the future they will why we they do they don't do well. Anything what you do well. Focus on what you do. You know, only you could be designer, only you do contract, you be contractor, you do marketing, you do everything. You're not supposed to be so. Only you be makeup artist. Choose one, focus on that.
This ministry, we thank God, they move. So you don't carry us waka. You don't carry me go many places like Orile, Ajegule.
As I resemble you, I think people they look like you.
Me, I didn't resemble you. I didn't say you resemble me.
Keep watching Waka Matter.
Waka Matter.
With Johnny Waka.
Who said that's for can't be funky?
Man, this guy. Excuse me? What are we supposed to do, man?
Say, who tell you say Christians not the groove? Who say them no fit bust they move? After all, we have been washed in the blood of the Lamb, chosen for signs and wonders in the land. To be Christian or be by force, to give your life to God and your choice. When he let this life on the cross, so Chai, he carried away all our cross.
Cousin Cartel. Can you speak loud? Can you? No, baby. Your man's been inclined. Baby, this is Sammy Okoso. The legendary Sammy Okoso. I want some music.
I feel it.
You feel it?
Tell me what you gonna do. I wanna lift my hand. For my body, I wanna lift my hand. He done the well for you. I wanna lift my hand. You never shout to you. I wanna lift my hand. He gave you many blessings. I wanna lift my hand. And a divine protection. I wanna lift my hand. He put food on your table. What tell you say we no sabi dance? We get swagger and we sabi bounce. After all, we are the children of the Most High God, created to shine at the home and abroad. So no lily, no no shaking. With the fire they go, no stopping. We love God, we know the door low. And we hold our side, they know the small low. I wanna lift my hand. Tell me what you gonna do. I wanna lift my hand. From a back audio, I wanna lift my hand. He done the well for you. I wanna lift my hand. You never shout to you. I wanna lift my hand. He give you many blessings. I wanna lift my hand. And the divine protect. I wanna lift my hand. He put food on your table. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm the DJ on the beat. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I wanna lift my hand. Tell me what you gonna do. I wanna lift my hand. From a back audio, I wanna lift my hand. He done the well for you. I wanna lift my hand. You never shout to you. I wanna lift my hand. He give you many blessings. I wanna lift my hand.
So my brother, that music just now, why you can't like some of those music?
I like the music because one, first of all, now real original music, Nigerian music, and our man. So
okay, that make you like
most like first of all like my music.
Because beneath was saying our village we want me rain for so that may plant for grow come out. So my brother, my sister, we still there. Now Waka Mata we still there with Johnny Waka. Still there with my brother Moody. In name now we don't know him. Mudiaga. Anyway, I see Moody, I will go finish the spelling. Mudiaga. That's how we do it. So my brother, tell me, you don't marry?
I don't marry. I get one boy, one girl.
That time when you see your wife, how you take no say na your wife with this one?
Now I think that she did humble. Most people say Moody did very humble and a way of life, now upbringing. So I see my wife, calm woman, and I go for her.
So which year be that so?
2004 now I'm married.
And you back one. So where you from it?
Not for Igbonrin, for Surulere.
You dey enter motor be
No,
just tell us.
I had to go see one of my friends then. I would just meet. Then she dey work with her aunt. So I meet her, I just open up to her.
I want make you advise all these people. We want all those our small brother wey they do. I no go green. They must do this. They must do this. Anybody we want become somebody for life. We want take this your life. What you go tell her?
But before I go advise, we can talk something. What you dey involve my mind.
Waiting with that thing with the worry for mind.
Our mind most people don't lose faith. See, not possible to be maker in life. And very negative feeling. And when they see you they make you attach anything to it. Say that somebody they sponsor you or you do another business or you do contractor. Like most of the talk every time they interview me, I use my case as an example. People see this office, what thing? The only tailoring they do, they forget I don't spend 22 years for work. If I spend 22 years for one work and not be successful, that means some things they did wrong. That means something did wrong somewhere. 22 years and not be successful, that means something did wrong. Take for instance, you know me now. If after 22 years, I still do one small shop, what did you talk?
I go cast you out.
So now people are too negative. Because now only Nigeria will see, only Nigerian people will see a white man will come to this country. A Chinese man will come, Indian man will come, American man will come, British man will come. You come with only just briefcase. You will make money, nobody will talk anything. But if Nigerian man do the same business, doing well, they say, so somebody they sponsor around, they do another business, they do juju.
Oh, you don't go carry cocaine?
Cocaine. Like my key people they talk different thing about me. But somebody tell me, say, eyes on the ball. You must remain focused. So that's my what they worry me. Then my advice for people, you told the one journey going into this business. In any business you want to do, my advice is I will first of all ask you get the passion for what you want to do. You say you get the passion, I'll ask you again. You get the drive, so yeah, then if you get the discipline, there are three things. You must get the passion, you must get the drive, you must get the discipline. Passion will keep you going even when money not there initially. money if not they come as the first beginning of when you start your work. Passion will keep you going. Then if money doesn't come, drive will make you see if you package yourself, put your whatever you do into another level. Keep pushing. Then I drive. Then discipline will say you don't make count. Then you gotta feel relaxed. You gotta come work around 10 o'clock, around 11. You said when they come was supposed to come work by 7. Like me, I will get to work every day 7 o'clock at the office. If you be designer, I be designer. You reach your office around 10, 11. I reach my office around 7 o'clock. No one will be the same level except God the Pasha. So it's simple. It's simple. Now what you put in, you get. You know. So my advice: just do your work well. Do good work. Money will surely come. We're many for this country. If you be bricklayer, you can make money. Carpenter, you can make money. If horticulture, when you plant flower, you can make money. If you want your time to come, and God will see people when they say work hard. God will reward your hard work. It's simple as that. My level I did to learn and the power of God. Fine, I first of all thank God. Say God, I thank you for the talent or for the wisdom. But secondly, I will come praise myself. Say I don't try.
My brother, my sister, papa, mama, una hear am. Say when my brother here Moody, come dey learn how to design, how to do this. If papa and mama support am, say make it be what it be. So papa, mama, una dey leave us, make we do what is there our mind. Work wey una go do for us, una guide us, follow us to that thing wey we say we wan do. You go become something. And my brother, my sister, we wan become person. No go do something because say money dey, na make you go enter. You hear am? Anything wey God take dey bless us, na your heart God dey look. How you like that thing for your mind, na it go make God bless you with am. But if you enter say because of money, the money go wetin go make you dey the thing if money no dey again. So na be my brother Moody story. So say he enter the thing because he get mind for the thing. Say na this thing I go must stay better. He don dey this thing for 22
years.
This ministry, we thank God, they move. So you don't carry us waka. You don't carry me go many places like Orile, Ajegule.
As I resemble you, I think people they look like you.
Me, I believe resemble you. I don't say you resemble you.
Keep watching Waka Matter.
Waka Matter.
Waka Matter.
Waka Matter.
With Johnny Waka.
My brother tell me, for this work where you dey so, how many awards you don't take?
I don't win several awards. I don't count years. Some days here, some people day house. But I dey tell people, anything when you do, people they see you. You get one day, I do this office 7 o'clock every day. So you get one day, I go bank, go send money, go meet my mama. So because of the transaction, I call this office around 8:15. One elderly man come beside my car, go tap my
Motor.
my car. I said, sir, open problem. Now I ask him. He said, no. I said, come down from the motor. You know what the man tell me? He said, what you have over the problem? I said, what you have? He said, no. He said, look at the time. That means people they
Watch you.
They really touch me. So my mama name now Margaret in Nigeria. My father name now Johnson Majemite in Nigeria. My father don't die, but my mama they are alive.
So my brother tell me, how many people you don't do cloth for? These people we don't do cloth for just.
There many. For one measure, for one kind of names now.
They go break.
There many. There many.
When you wear your clothes, so
There many.
just tell us some, make we know.
Like how many you want me to tell you?
Anyhow you be, just tell us, make we know how many people we don't do
I
cloth
don't
for.
make clothes for the many Obani Koro,
Yeah.
governor of our state, Delta State.
That one way I dey read.
Governor of Akwa Ibom.
Who?
I don't make clothes for Shomole.
He.
I don't make clothes for big pastors, Bishop Okonkwo, Pastor Kalejai, Tony Rapu. I don't make clothes for Ayorisheja for. I don't make clothes for Kenyan Prime Minister.
Bros, you don't move for Nigeria, so go to clothes for them.
The former president of Ghana.
Oh.
I don't make clothes for Yusundo, Senegalese singer.
Wow.
I don't make clothes for Salif Keita, Abedi Pele, Mikel Obi. I don't make clothes for many people.
My brother, you know say I no go fit come meet you. We be say I no go give you gift. I walk out the way from village they come. I'll come here without I no give you gift. I can give you, I won't give you. Just wait small time. I can give you gift. Wow. Moody. All those clothes will be big made they wear. We they will call they do this and you they make it. My brother, you see this shoe so. My waiting, I think waka come with this. You go sign up, put your own. If I reach out, I go tell my people say I don't meet Moody. Now him pull left hand for yourself. Yes, just sign. So you just sign up. Bros, I person go fit see your check go sign like this way your signature long. Hi.
Who do this, eh?
Go that beg go wow. Now see Moody, he don't sign. As you don't sign now, I no go come with you, I no go give you. Okay, which I want give you. Take this one.
I'm gonna give you this.
I will give you. When you see this shoe, what did this shoe remind you?
Waka now, Johnny Waka.
You know, say that the day when they born you, now your waka start.
Yes, that's right. That's yes. You remember me when I was small and the size of the shoe and I gave you this.
My brother, my sister, now today we don't waka reach where Moody Aga. Now full name I go call him. Day. Now waka matter. Now we still day with Johnny Waka. My people, I they go. Oh na bye oh. Mona they watch Waka Matter. Now the only program you don't know who you go see. Their story will make you know say you be human being, you go be something tomorrow. Mona no come out there, stay there, you come out.
This ministry, we thank God, they move. So you don't carry us waka. You don't carry me go many places like Orile, Ajegule.
As I resemble you, I think people they look like you.
Me, I believe resemble you. I don't say you resemble you.
Keep watching Waka Matter.
Waka Matter.
With Johnny Waka.